Morning everyone. So I just wanted to let you know that our kits are going to be back in stock because we are receiving one item that we are really out of stock. So the sponge files, and we're receiving them. We just got a solid date on October 15th. I have made some changes to the kit because we got a lot of feedback and people were saying that we should include the nail nippers in the kit, and I have to agree. I really like these nippers because they're kind of a two-in-one tool. So they're strong enough to cut the nails, but also they're good if you have a little hangnail or a torn skin to nip it. They're very precise as well. And by the way, when you receive them, you will see that they have a rubber tip. So the rubber tip is to protect the blade, especially the tip of the blade. So don't throw it away. When you are done using them, just replace it, clean the tool, whatever, but just replace the tip. It's really important and they will last you for a very, very long time. So we are going to be adding that tool to the kit. So the kit is going to be our version 2 of our kit. I also came across really cute little cotton pouches. So they fit the tools perfectly. And thank you, Pamela, one of our customers who suggested this idea to get a little pouch that we can put all the tools inside. So that was a great idea. So we're going to be adding that pouch. And also I have made some changes to the packaging, and that is simply because I wanted to keep that kit under 250 grams because the shipping is cheaper that way. So I have removed the packaging for the pedicure tool or for the manicure tool. So I'm putting 2 tools into one pouch. I have asked our viewers during our YouTube live, and everybody was saying that it's okay, but I'm open to suggestions, so let me know what you think. But for now, this is what we're going to do. Now, the kit is going to be ready to purchase on October 16th, let's say, but because we have a solid date, we are going to put it on pre-order, and if you decide to buy it now, they're going to be 10% off until we actually get them in stock. So 10% off, and the price is adjusted automatically right away, so you don't have to worry about any codes or anything like that. And I also wanted to mention that the shipping is a flat fee. So if you decide to buy 2 kits, the price of the shipping is going to be the same. So hint, hint, they're very good for gifts. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm going to include the video of the kit below. Okay, thank you so much again. Have a great day. Bye.